Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. If you can do this deal curbside ASAP for all the parents out there, even if you're going to a baby shower, this would make a superb gift to get one of these massive boxes of Love's diapers for $4.99. The original price is $17.99, so I would warrant this as a run deal if you can line it up exactly how I'm going to explain it. So if you go to your digital coupons folder this morning, this showed up in one of my accounts, which is a $5 off one of these large boxes. This is a manufacturer coupon, and it just showed up today for me. So I had it on one of my accounts. My second account didn't have it. Now, a lot of people on Instagram, because this is where I initially posted it, they were like, I don't have one. So if you don't have one, keep checking. But if you've bought diapers before, maybe a coupon will aggregate for you in the next couple days. As you could see, it started on the 16th, ending on the 29th. Now, Love's is a P&G product. It's their lower tier diapers, and it's also on a promotion to spend 15, get back 5 in Walgreens cash. That's why I'm saying do this deal curbside, because in store, I cannot tell you definitively if that $5 register reward will print for you. Chances are it probably won't, because it's been a very fussy one, but it's on this promotion of spend 15, earn back 5 in Walgreens cash, and this is a curbside offer only. Or the Walgreens cash. So what you're doing here is doing this as a curbside order. So cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, you're going to hit the button on the left-hand side with the red check for a pickup. You drive to the store and get your stuff at the photo department. That easy. So if you look at your digital coupon and look below, my qualifying item for this was the size 5 66 count diapers. Now, I noticed with some other ones it wasn't attaching, maybe because the coupon was just dropped today, but just be mindful of that. Like, I had an issue with that. Now, if you go over to your Ibotta, there's 2 different rebates, and one of them is $3 back. And for this size 5 66 count, yes, it is part of it. So when you go pick up your order, if the cashier is going to try and use that handheld and just scan your QR code, no, ask if he or she can process it for you at a regular register so you can get a physical receipt. If you have a problem getting physical receipts, this isn't the deal for you, but most of you probably can finesse that. You need your receipt to photograph it to Ibotta for this $3 back. And mine doesn't exclude the use of coupons as well, just to note that. So looking at this, your box of diapers is $17.99. Curbside pickup is free. $1.08 in tax. $5 melting off. So with your debit card, pay $14.07 because the promotion is spend 15, get back 5. So there you have it. And then you're going to take a quick photo to Ibotta for an extra $3 back. So the final price point for this box, after everything is said and done, not including the tax, because tax is different in every state, it's $4.99. So I mean, it's just absolutely fantastic. I would definitely move on this if you're trying to get some diapers ready for a baby shower gift. If you're expecting, if you have a child that's a size 5, I mean, this is definitely a stock up price. You have between Friday the 16th and Saturday the 17th to make this deal happen. Because the promotion of spend 15, get back 5 on P&G products, I'm not sure if it's going to be over on the 18th, which is Sunday. So move on this deal very quickly. To answer another question, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Here's why. Because the promotion for P&G is spend 15, get back 5, and we don't want any funny business. Good luck, and I would pounce on this deal right away. $4.99, it's going to get cleared quickly.